Hello everyone, this is Carla and you are watching The Cart Avenue. Since I had a technical issue the last time I shoot the first batch of these items, so I'm going to show you the rest. So this is part 2 of the IKEA shopping. I am also including all the prices for each item on the screen for your reference. If you haven't watched the first part yet, please click the link below. Okay, let's start. First, let's see this. This is a phone stand. So I'm not sure if this is a phone stand or a book stand. The drawing here looks like it's holding a book. But I have here an open one. So let's try it. Let's try with an iPhone. Oh! Ooh. Oh, there's actually two. One from the top and there's another one from the bottom. I'm not sure if you can... I think you can use both. So it's like this. It's nice. And also it's wood. We bought 3 of these because I'm also a tester, so I work with a lot of phones. Every day I definitely need these things for work. Next is we have this, a wooden spoon and fork. This is for my mama. She also requested this one. Pero individual prices sila, hindi sila set. And then we have this. I think you call this a whisk. Basta alam ko pang ganyan-ganyan siya. Kasi lately, we've been into pancakes. I actually don't like pancakes before. But since this quarantine happened, and I see a lot of people eating pancakes, different kind of pancakes, and then I tried it. We only had the ready mix, and it's still so good. So we decided to buy one of these because we don't have this yet. Then we bought this. So I actually already have brushes, but when I saw this, I feel like I need one. Well, that's the beauty of going to IKEA. I mean, I don't need this, and when I saw the price, oh, parang naging need ko na siya. So kinuha ko, I bought one. Then we bought this also. We bought 4. Ito yung for your hot pots na gusto mong ilagay sa table, ganyan. So we all know what this is. And it's very thin. May ganito na kami, pero medyo makapal, kaya pumili kami ng bago na hindi siya masyadong bulky. Next is this one. Ito yung kino-cover mo sa cabinet mo para hindi siya masira. So, ito siya. I-cut mo lang siya whichever sizes you need. Especially dun sa mga cabinets na lalagyan mo ng like utensils, or knife, or yung mga spoon and fork. Para hindi siya masira when you put all those things in your cabinets. So, you put this as the base. This one is 150 by 50. So, last time I think we bought just one. And we already used it for, I think, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cabinets. And you can also put on the storage for your pots. Yung pots, diba, pag nilalagay mo dun sa cabinet mo, there's a chance that it will scratch the wood. I think this is worth buying than fixing your cabinet later on. Next, we have this one. The last time I went to IKEA, we saw this one. And I thought, I think mahal naman. I think it's not necessary for us to buy this. So, mas okay talaga na meron talagang something na i-organize mo yung kitchen napkin para mas neat siya sa kitchen counter mo. And then we have this. We all know what this is. Ito yung for cleaning the toilet. Set siya so you have the brush inside and you have the stand. I think this is better because after you use or clean your toilet, you'll have something to put it on to. So, hindi siya messy sa bathroom mo. And it's black. I like black kasi hindi kita yung dirt niya. I mean, you still have to clean it, but it's a lot better than the white one. Then we have this. It's a rug. And it's a very soft rug. Maganda siya for the bathroom mo. So, pagkalabas mo ng bathroom after maligo, mas maganda siya to absorb the water. I was very disappointed kasi kakabili ko lang ng ganito sa Lazada. Tapos mas mahal yun na sa Lazada. Akala ko it's cheaper na, but when I found this in IKEA, it's too late, but I still bought one. Kasi maganda. Next, we have this as a seat cushion. So you have a Velcro here. can tie this on the chair, and then it's very soft. I mean, it's soft enough for your butt. It's soft enough for you to sit on. Kasi may mga chair, diba, that they don't come with a cushion. Wood lang siya. So you better have this. Or maybe you have already the cushion, but after a long time of using it, medyo hard na siya pag ginagamit. So you can add this on your chair. Then I bought this trash cans. Kasi mura siya. And then when we moved here sa flat namin, merong ganito din. Parang sa previous owner yata. Tapos parang super old na siya. May cracks na yung side. Pero ano pa rin, ginagamit pa rin namin. So I'm sure na maganda yung quality niya. So I bought 2. Papadala ko to sa Pinas. Next is we have this one. This is a shower curtain. So this one is actually washable. So it's better than the first one that we got because eventually kasi over time, yung shower curtain, nadudumi yung bottom niya. May mga stains na na-accumulate niya over those months of using it. So kailangan mo siya itapon or maybe you can brush it out. Pero I'm not sure if it's going to get rid completely of the stain. So yung sa amin, baka itatapon ko na lang. So we're going to change that old shower curtain that we have right now. And then we use this new one. And then the color is also nice. It's pretty. Saving the best for last is this. Yes. So most of my plants sa IKEA ko binili. Kasi hindi ako, may tumutubo. Wow, meron silang plants na magaganda. I'm sure meron din naman sa market, pero ewan ko kung cheaper ba or nakaka-save ka. I'm not sure though. Pero yes, every time na pumupunta kami sa IKEA, bumibili talaga ako ng plants. So eto, wala kasi akong Monstera. Ang cute, no? So yung plants nila, may guide na ganito. So kung how much sunshine yung kailangan ng plant mo, how much water, for indoor ba siya or outdoor. So maganda kasi may guide ka na. Especially pag beginner ka. It's so cute. I have one more plant here, and this is this one. This one is smaller. Because the smaller the plant is, the cheaper din yung price. So I bought one. So, meron din siyang instructions on how to take care of this little baby. This is called FITTONIA. The other one is MONSTERA DELICIOSA. So this one is also an indoor plant. Requires a little bit of water, not too much, not too little. So this one is also cute. I'll take care of this until it grows so big. Some of my plants that I bought in IKEA are actually babies. Tapos ngayon, lalaki na sila. Like that one. Like these two. Small pa yan nung pagbili ko. Tapos ngayon, lalaki na sila. Ayan, tapos nakapropagate na din ako. So that's all the items that we shopped in IKEA. I hope in some way I helped you have an idea on what to buy when you go there. And if you haven't seen the part 1 of this video, make sure to check it out. On the link I provided below, I showed a lot more items on that video. And I hope you already liked and subscribed. This is Carla once again, and you're watching The Cart Avenue.